So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add filters to a video here on InShot. So here's my example video. If I wanted to add a filter to it, it's pretty straightforward. Right on this bottom bar to where it says filter, go ahead and press on that. On this page right here, you can go ahead and press on filter once again. Now you can go ahead and add a filter. So for example, if I wanted to make this vintage, I can go ahead and press vintage right here. I can press duo, whatever. If I go ahead and press the check mark right here, if I were to play the video, for example, the filter has now been added to the video right here. So once again, press on the video right here. You can go ahead and press on filter, and you can change this to whatever you're looking for. So if you wanted to go ahead and change this, whatever the case may be, you can go ahead and change it to whatever you're looking for. If you want to adjust it as well, maybe make it more or less, you can do that and add the filters to your video. Very simple, very straightforward. That's how to add filters to a video here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.